Hey everybody, and welcome to the Dixie Belle Paint channel. I am Jodie Flavor from Decoris Vintage Designs, and today I am going to be doing a little upcycle on my fireplace here. So to give you a little bit of a background on this is one of the first pieces I ever upcycled almost 4 years ago now. It's starting to look quite grubby, it's starting to look old. I could technically replace this with a brand spanking amazing new fireplace. However, cheaper and more environmentally friendly to upcycle things and recycle them rather than replace them if possible. This room that I'm in right now served as my workshop during lockdown, and I haven't really put any care or attention to bring it back to a normal living room since then. So I've got my work cut out for me to make this look like a nice fireplace again and to make it look like a contemporary living room. That doesn't look like it was also once a workshop. So I'm also going to paint the slip stick on the black part of the fire here. I'm using nice long strokes and making sure that I get really even coverage. Also, after the first coat is dried, I'm going to go in there with a second coat. But what I want to say is, obviously this is just an electric fire. It just blows out heat. It doesn't get intensely hot. So before you go and start painting your fireplaces, make sure that you've checked that it's fine to do on your specific fire, if that makes sense. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to use something called Wood Bend, which I'm just going to add to the sides of this piece. I'm not worrying about sanding it all down and bringing it back to the wood because I'm actually going to do quite a textured finish over the top of that. There's kind of no point. I'm an easy win kind of girl. So I'm not actually, just ignore what's happening here, like right here. I'm not actually sure the Prairie Dawn is really working because it's got a little bit too much yellow in it, and in order for it to work with the black and the blue, it needs to be like a nice bright white. So I'm going to go in there now with some silk.